Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of explain what I'm thinking of doing for social thinking for e-learning. First of all, it's going to start March 31st. In this post on Google Classroom, I'm also going to attach your new daily check-in, and I tried to make it more like home related socially, and I know this is going to be super weird. Social thinking is going to be a difficult thing to try and learn and do since we're stuck at home, but we're going to do our best. So I'm thinking we'll do some chat rooms once a week. Sorry, that's my son. He's a little whiny. We'll do some chat rooms once a week, like typing chat rooms. We might try to video chat. I don't know. A lot of teachers have sent out emails that they tried it, and if everybody is unmuted, there's a lot of static and you can't hear anything, and I kind of just don't want to mess with that. I think it's okay for us just to type live in a discussion chat. I might post a couple questions and have you guys respond once or twice and then respond to a classmate, something like that. Okay, I'm not going to give you guys a bunch of busy work. I might have a couple short assignments just about certain things that we've learned throughout the years, like different zones or what is expected and unexpected behavior in certain areas. I'm going to try to look up some lessons about social thinking during a pandemic, but I am not sure that those exist, so I might have to make one up. But please don't worry about this class. If we are still online by the time that finals come, your final will be just a super easy project or even discussion online, okay? What I really want you guys to focus on is getting on Google Classroom and focusing on your other classes where they're going to be giving you a lot of work that you will have to do on your own time, all right? This class is not heavily academic as we proceed into e-learning. Like I said, it's just going to be a couple discussion boards, so please do not get anxiety over this class. If you have any questions or concerns about social thinking, then email me or message me on Google Classroom, and I'll be sure to check in. I'm going to check in every day once we get back into school and just see if anybody's posted anything. Okay? So again, don't freak out about this class. You don't need to have anxiety about this. We're just going to do some discussions, and it's not going to be like you're going to have homework every single day. Okay? Your other classes probably will, so please make sure that you're focusing on that. All right? I will check in once we're back in session. Again, stay safe, wash your hands. Make sure, you guys, that you are getting outside. I know you shouldn't be going to the store or anything, but like walk down the block. You need some sunshine for real. Okay? Bye.